Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and one quick thing before we get this video started. This is not sponsored by New Bright. That's a brand, and that was kind of obvious. And yeah, let's get straight into this video.
Basically, what New Bright does is they make RC cars. Not like super fast ones, but they make good ones. And yeah, hey, let's just get started.
Bro, Becky, we gotta go. What for? I just got a new car, and it's like 60% off. We gotta go. I think I've heard of the car you're talking about. Let's go. Ray, is the car still here? Yeah, it's right next to me. Oh, well, you can have it for free. I don't care. No one's gonna buy that car because my business is not popular anymore. And yeah, you guys can keep it. Yay! Thank you, Ray. Yeah, my business is done, and I can finally go home and just chill and play Call of Duty. Time to try this awesome car. Pretty good so far, not gonna lie. This is awesome! Alright, Becky, let's go back to the house. You know what, let's just chill for a little bit. Let's go to the driveway and chill. Alright, Alexa Bliss, what do you want to do today? I don't know, there's not much to do. You can go do whatever you want. I'm just going to be sitting right here. Okay. One quick thing. Look at the car that Becky Lynch and Seth Rollins have. Ah, pretty nice. You know what, that's not breaking up with you. You're poor and your car's bad. Gold digger! Hey, Seth Rollins, I just broke up with AJ Styles, and I was wondering if I could be your second girlfriend. No! Not fair. I want to get back with AJ Styles now. Little does she realize I won the lotto and I have a Lambo. Oh gosh, she's coming. I hope she didn't hear that. Can I get back with you? Why? Because they said no. Why, you big gold digger? You said you hated me just a few seconds ago. So why are you asking me to get back? Because I feel like it, okay? They were stupid and fat. That's what you are. Bye, stupid gold digger. Hey, Seth Rollins! What do you want? Give me my friends take a ride with you guys. Seth Rollins, are you sure about this? Fine. Yay, thank you! How much friends do you have? I have like 5. I guess I'll try to fit as much in the back as I can at once, okay? Okay. I'm going in the back first. Me. Oh God, I'm only gonna fit 2 people. Whoa, that's a sick car. Wait, hold up. Are you guys all El Torito's friends? Yes. 2 at a time, guys. Chill, okay? Okay. Shut up, Triple H. Come on, Hornswoggle and El Torito. Let's go for a ride. Alright, guys. So, Sally, the car died. So, I'll give you guys a ride just another time.
You mean the car ran out of gas?
Yes. Oh, okay, guys. I'm out of breath because I had to push the car all the way. So, bad news. The car ran out of gas. No! Chill, man. You're the one who gave me the car. Come on, guys. Let's just push the car, okay? I'm going to try to pull it myself. Yeah, that car's heavy. It's got to be at least a good, maybe 5,000 pounds. Seth Rollins, can you help me? Fine. I can probably pull it by myself because you're weak. Jesus. Let me try. I'll show you how it's done. I should have you throw my car.
No one heard.
Hey, you hurt my friend. Stop it, lady. Jesus Christ, Speculations, we're flying!